Hello everyone. We are in Pune for ITF Women's 75 Championships. We are very glad to be speaking with Akanksha Nitture today. Akanksha is National Women's Doubles Champion alongside Soha. She's ranked 10th in India. Akanksha, thank you for your time. How are you doing?
Thank you for your time. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing well as well. You had close matches against top 400 players in Solapur and in Navi Mumbai. How do you review these two matches?
Yeah, I mean, those two players were seeded in the tournament and they were both, I think, top 300. Um, those were very close matches and really good match. I had match point in the first one as well in Solapur, I think. I won't say I didn't have chances for sure, but it was a lot of improvement in those two matches.
You also had a singles final in Bangalore. How do you review your game? What is working well for you in getting those results?
Bangalore has always been nice. KSLD courts I think suit me well. Yeah, that week was actually very good. I reached doubles finals as well and singles finals. A lot of things we were working on. We had a pre-season, so I think the practice worked well.
You have been at PBI Bangalore for several months now. Why did you choose to go to PBI?
Before that, I used to train in Mumbai, and lately over there were no players, and I had to travel a lot for everything. And PBI kind of has everything in one spot, and I don't have to waste my time traveling a lot. So that was the major thing.
Do talk about your setup in PBI, the coaches, the physios, and everyone else that's working with you there.
It's pretty good. Like everybody is pretty connected. We have everything in one place, so everybody knows what we are doing at every time. So it's pretty good.
Who are you coaching under right now?
So there are two main coaches, Ritu sir and Andres from Colombia.
Okay. You had financial challenges preventing you from pursuing a full schedule on the Pro Tour. Can you talk about the sponsorship situation now?
Yeah, like of course we all face that when we turn pro, I think. But I have been lucky that I have got Lakshya sponsorship, and I have also one more Nanavati sponsorship. So it helps a lot to travel more.
What do you think you need to work on in terms of your game to take it to the next big jump to top 500 in the ranking?
I think we all have every aspect that we want to work on. But yeah, I mean, mentally, I think is the first thing I want to work on right now.
Cool. Are you ready for some rapid fire questions?
Okay.
What are your hobbies?
Hobbies? I can't really think of, but I like traveling. I like trying new things.
Which is your favorite travel destination?
Not been to many places, but I would say Singapore because I have recently been there.
Who's your favorite player on tour?
Serena and Nadal, always.
Favorite cuisine and dish?
I am a foodie, so anything but Indian cuisine.
Favorite home meal?
Anything my mom bakes because I am not at home recently, so anything.
A song that is on repeat mode for you?
It depends on my mood, but I think before matches I generally hear Unstoppable or like that, something that pumps up.
Your best win so far and why?
Best win. I can't think of a win, but I would say the last matches I didn't get the win, but I think that was a pretty good performance.
A loss that hurt you the most and why?
I would say Solapur because it would have been the biggest win that I had so far, and I had match point also in that match. So yeah.
Toughest opponent that you faced so far?
I've played Emma Raducanu over here in Pune, I think in 2018. So that was pretty.
If you could play a match at any court in the world, where would it be?
I mean, any of the Grand Slams, I think. Any of the Grand Slams.
Okay, thank you so much, Akanksha.
Thank you.
Akanksha, for your time. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.